A very good morning to all. I am Dr. Syam. I am from India. I'll be presenting pipe fixation and UMEX clamp in osteoporotic distal radial fracture. Management of distal radial fractures is still an enigma due to high percentage of poor outcome despite all the treatment modalities. More so in osteoporotic fracture due to the poor hold to maintain the reduction. So, close reduction and K-wave fixation is the simplest and cheapest method. Complications are many. Standardized pipe fixation can give excellent results. In our earlier study published in Trauma Journal in 2017, we analyzed and proved the superiority of our standardized pipe fixation over other methods for distal radial fracture. There, we analyzed the results of 496 distal radial fractures treated with our standardized pipe fixation. Even in that series, we had 12% of superficial wire infection, especially in osteoporotic distal radial fractures due to the poor hold and loosening. In this study, we tried interconnecting those K-waves with UMEX clamp to enhance its stability, converting it into a multi-angular block frame to counter loosening and its consequences. Here it works. The principle of unity is strength. All the patients admitted in our unit with osteoporotic distal radial fractures, except A1 and B3 fractures from January 2019 to January 2022 for a period of 3 years, managed by close reduction and standardized pipe fixation with UMEX clamp by the same senior surgeon. The treatment protocol. After perfect reduction, it provides internal stability. Standardized pipe fixation is done to stabilize the fracture and neutralize the deformity. Then the 5 wires are placed in the order. First one is distal ulnar radial wire. Then the radial styloid wire is inserted. Then a lister tubercle wire is inserted. And fourth one is ulnar corner wire. And last we are putting and proximal ulnar radial wire. Then these wires are interconnected with UMEX clamp and 2 mm K-wire, like in this picture. Postoperatively, removable aluminum splint is given in functional position and encourage active finger mobilization. Patient is advised to remove the splint for active wrist, finger, elbow, and shoulder mobilization for 15 minutes each at least 6 times a day. And then bi-weekly review for pin care and physio till pin removal. Ulnar radial pins are removed in 6 weeks after X-rays, and radial wires are removed 2 weeks later. All the patients are reviewed in 4 to 6 weeks till 6 months and assessed for pain, wire infection, loosening, nerve injury, tendon impairment, and artery. X-ray is taken at 6 weeks and 3 months. Clinical scoring is assessed by Green and O'Brien score. Result of close reduction and standardized pipe fixation and UMEX. 75 consecutive patients with 80 osteoporotic distal radial fractures after excluding the death due to unrelated causes and lost follow-up. We evaluated 64 cases with 72 distal radial fractures. All of them healed uneventfully without wire loosening, migration, and dystrophy. Pin site infection was found to be reduced to less than 2%. Functional outcome according to Green and O'Brien score gives excellent results in 96.4% of the cases and good in 3 cases and fair in 1 patient that was severely committed to intramuscular fracture. Conclusion. UMEX clamp added to standardized pipe fixation significantly improve the stability and outcome. It can significantly reduce problems like pin loosening, migration, and infection in osteoporotic distal radial fracture. Thank you.